In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money online by just playing video games. Now, one thing I want you guys to know before I start is that I do not waste your time on this channel, right? I just go straight to the point. I don't show you any unnecessary steps. And the second thing I want to say is that this is not going to make you turn into Elon Musk. You are not going to be balling, you know? This is just going to give you a few extra bucks that you can use to do pretty much whatever you want. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is go to the site called inboxdollars.com. Inboxdollars.com is pretty simple. Now, what I have to say about this site is that it's pretty basic, right? Like, it's straight to the point. You don't have much to learn from this site. All you just have to do is come over to the homepage, click on email, put your email address, put your password, confirm password, and you sign up and you get a $5 bonus for just, you know, joining the site. And then once you get in, you can start playing games, you know, shopping and cash offers, taking surveys, whatever. But we are just mainly focused on playing games, right? So it's pretty basic. I don't have much to show you about this site because it's easy. So inboxdollars.com, that's the first one. So the next one we're going to look at is for the big dogs. This is the main reason of the video, right? So this site is called playoneUp.com. PlayoneUp.com, you know, it's amazing. Honestly, it's really, really cool because I've used this a couple of times, even if I've lost, you know, but I've used this a couple of times. Now, let me tell you the cool part of this site, right? On this site, what happens is you get paid to play games like Fortnite, NBA 2K, whatever, FIFA, you name it. That's what you get paid to do. Now, as you guys can see, it says built for gamers by gamers. Play online from the comfort of your home. That's literally what they do. Let me just explain what happens on this site, right? So you have two things. You either enter a tournament for free or you pay to enter a tournament, but you get paid once you win like the grand prize, right? So take for example, if you guys look here, this is NBA 2K21 tournament, right? This is a screenshot that they took. So if you guys look here, you can see join now for $50. If you join this tournament for $50, first place gets $4,500. I don't know what second place gets, but you can imagine what first place gets. $4,500. Now there's a free version. Don't end the video and say, oh, you have to pay to play games. There's a free version, obviously. There's a lot of cool things you could do on this site slash app, right? 1v1 competitions, a lot of crazy things. Honestly, look at the small bet, like you could bet with someone $25, you know, like there's a lot of things you could do. So yeah, you can play on your Xbox, PlayStation, and PC. And as you guys can see, different games made in NBA, Fortnite, Call of Duty, you name it. Like there's a lot of games you could play on this site. So what you have to do in order to get started is really, really simple. Just go to the App Store, download the Play One Up app, and then you register, put your number and everything, and now you can play for free. Now there's one disadvantage. Once you play a tournament for free, you know, you win. Let's say you win the grand prize of $5,000 or $2,000 or even $1,000. These people, they take 10% of your winning, you know, on free competition. That's just the only downside of it. But come on, what is 10% for all the amount of times that you've been sitting home and just playing games for free, right? You get to challenge people and win money. So yeah, that's it for the end of this video, guys. I really hope you guys try this out and start making money. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe to my channel because I post important videos like this. So leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.